The course of lectures consists of 7 sections. First of all, we will prepare the working environment and install all the necessary programs on the computer. Next, we will get acquainted with the Ansible tool, with which we will manage the entire loading testing infrastructure, as well as automate various processes. We will learn how to use Yandex and Amazon Cloud technologies and order virtual machines there. On these virtual machines, we will install monitoring tools, such as Influx database, Telegraph agents, as well as the Grafana application, which will display the collected metrics in the browser. After that, we will put into operation the testing object, which is the online store written in Java. We will study what actions users can perform with the online store, and based on these actions, we will form a load profile. We will use this profile when creating a load generator based on the Gatling framework. First of all, we will get acquainted with the basic concepts that make up this framework. Then study the architecture of the future load generator. Next, we will develop this generator using the Scala language. And finally, test the generator by running the corresponding tests. At the end, we will analyze the obtained results and make the first conclusions about the performance of our application.